So, hey everyone, my name is Ahmed and this is the Star Writers. So in today's video we are going to talk about how to unlock your Xiaomi phone without waiting for a long time. So I used this method and it actually unlocked my phone instantly without any delay. So the first thing you need to do before starting this method, you need to have a number of things. The first thing you need is signing in your Mi account in your phone. So you need to go to the settings of your Xiaomi phone and then go to the Mi account and sign in your Mi account. This is the first thing you need. The second thing you need to do is to have your developer options enabled, and after enabling the developer options you need to go to the developer options and enable the USB debugging, and this is a very easy process. If you don't know how to do it, I will leave in the description a link to how enable your developer options in the Xiaomi phone. So after doing these things, you need to go to your PC, and actually this method can be done in any operating system. I have Linux Mint here. You need to go to this website, which is XiaoMiTool V2 project. This is the website of the tool that we are going to use. It is an unofficial tool that have a number of functionalities for Xiaomi devices. One of these functionalities is unlocking your phone. All you need to do is pressing this download option. It will take you to the different versions available for your tool, and I use this latest version, so I'm going to click here. It will take you to this automatic download page. It will automatically start downloading the tool for you. So I've already downloaded, so I needn't for this option, so I will cancel it. Before executing the tool, before running the tool, you need to make sure that it is executable. So you need to go to the properties and to permissions and make sure that this option is ticked, allow executing file as a program. It is ticked. If it is not, you need to tick it. So then you need to close the window and you can simply run it. You will have this window telling you if you want to run this file, and you need to choose run. It will take a few seconds for the tool to work. So after that, you will have this disclaimer that tells you that this is an unofficial tool. It is just a disclaimer about the tool. So after reading this disclaimer, you need to choose agree, and after that it will take a few seconds. So this is the interface of the tool. What you need to do is choosing this one. If you want to unlock your device, you need to choose this. My device works normally, I want to mode it. You press choose and it will search for any connected devices, because there is no connected devices, it will tell you that there is no connected devices found. So you need to have your device connected to your PC through a USB cable. So I connected it. It will start looking for your device. It will give you on your phone, it will give you a pop-up window that asks you if you want to allow USB debugging. You should choose allow, and then going back to your PC, you have your device here. So you need to, it is identified by the tool, so you need to press select, and it will start the process of checking the compatibility of your device and collecting information from your device. So it will take you to the fast boot mode, and then it will take you out of the fast boot mode and reboot your device. So it will take a few seconds until your device is up. So you need to wait until your device is up again. So after your device has rebooted itself, you need to unlock your lock screen, and you will have again a pop-up window that asks you if you want to allow USB debugging. You need to press allow, and going back to your PC, you will have these options available for you. You can you need to choose the last one here, which is unlock, lock bootloader, and others. So you need to choose this one. It will take you to this window. Choose the first one, unlock bootloader. So now it is starting an ADB connection and rebooting your device into the fast mode. So on your phone you will have it going to the fast boot mode, and it will wait for device fast boot, and it will have this window. It will open this window, which will take you to Xiaomi website. It will ask you to sign into your Mi account. So you need to enter your phone number here and your password here, and then press sign in. So I'm not going to sign in because I've already unlocked my phone and I needn't to do that. So you simply need just to enter these information and then press sign in, and it will do everything on its own. It will be just as simple as that, and it will unlock your device. So when I used this tool for the first time, I had a problem with it. It did not unlock my device. It took a very long time for checking the device and for checking the Mi account, and it did not work in the right way. So I just closed everything. I closed the device and I rebooted my phone, and I just did the steps, all of them again, and the first and on the second time everything went well and it just worked. So if it didn't work for you from the first time, you should try for another one, and it will hopefully work for you. So that's it for this video. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that it will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up, and if you want to see more of our content, you can subscribe to our channel. This was Ahmed from the Star Writers. Thank you so much. See you in another video.